It's I here from Social Media Design School. So, do you have any negative Facebook reviews, ratings, and maybe you've been getting trolled and you just had people leaving really horrible reviews and you're a bit frustrated because the majority of your clients or customers have given great ones, but these other reviews have really brought down your ratings. No, we can't get rid of those particular bad reviews, but there is a way of switching off the review tab. So let me show you how. So what you want to do is go to settings, then you want to go into edit page, and the way you're going to switch off the review tab is by going into your actual template. So based on the template that you have, you may have never seen this before or ever changed it, but you can actually play around with your templates. But let's focus on the review. If you've got your review tab on, which you obviously do, all you want to do is just go down the list of your tabs. So this shows all the tabs that you have on the left hand side. You find reviews, click on settings, and all you have to do is go to it says show reviews on or off, and you just click off, and if you're happy with that, then you save. And that is how you remove your reviews from your page. So it will remove everything, but at least the bad ones won't show. So I hope it does help, although it is hiding all your reviews and some of your clients may be a bit suspicious, but if the bad ones are really affecting you and it's really affecting you emotionally and affecting your business, then just switch them off. It's that easy. Hope that helps. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.